So the way the TJIS works is that you're going to put your sample into the container. It's going to blend up your sample. And once it's done blending, it's going to push air into the system. And it's going to open up the ball valve, which is going to push the liquid into the flow cell. Once it's in the flow cell, then the pH meter and the temperature gauge are going to work together to get your pH. And then the Otago that's on the front is going to get its reading. And the Minolta that's in the Minolta case is going to get its reading. Once they all get their readings, then the system dumps out whatever liquid's in there, and it goes into a self-cleaning. And the self-cleaning will add water to about halfway on the container and go into a blend cycle and dump the contents of the container. First thing you want to check is that you're on the right load number. And whatever load number it says there, as soon as you press start, it goes to it advances one. And then when you open up your lid, you want to make sure that there's no water in the canister. Then after you're done washing your tomatoes, getting all the sticks out, getting all the mud out, you're going to pour your tomatoes into your canister. And you're going to want to make sure that you don't put any more than that or any less. You want to have it right here at the rim. Any less is going to throw off your readings, and any more is going to put a lot of wear and tear on your blender motor. And you're going to want to shut it until it locks in, and then you want to press start. Right now it's pulling out until 25, and that's when your blender motor will turn on. So it pulled all three readings already. Now it's doing a second round of doing all three readings. And then it's turning it out. So because my hue is out of range, it's telling me to take a sample. You'll pull the lid open, you'll grab your ladle, and you'll pull a sample and test it on the backup system. And then you're going to want to shut your lid and press start again. And then now it's going into its wash cycle and self-cleaning. Once it says ready, everything's good to go, you can open up your lid, make sure that there's no water in there, and then you can keep your lid closed until your next load. Over here, after it's done printing the ticket, because it was out of range, whatever was out of range, it's not going to show up on your ticket. So because my hue was out of range, none of my numbers are for hue or on the ticket. So that means once I'm done testing on the backup system, I can write in those numbers, and that's what's going to be entered for Great Star or any other system you're using.